Welcome to another short video. In this one we'll go through some of the common collective nouns. Let's dive into it. Pair, جفت. For example, pair of shoes. Pair of shoes. جفت کاش. جفت کاش. Family, mahluk. Mahluk. This is our family. This is our family. Ie me mahlukent. Ie me mahlukent. Crowd. Crowd. Romb. Romb. Crowd of people. رومبی مردم. رومبی مردم. Companion. Companion. همبل. همبل. John is our companion. John is our companion. John may همبلند. John may همبلند. Flock. Flock. رمگ. رمگ. Flock of sheep. Flock of sheep. رمگ میش. رمگی میش. Set or flight. Red. Red. Flight of stairs. Flight of stairs. ردی پدانک. رد پدانک.